Welcome to my channel Sagar Food. In this video we are going to make chicken legs recipe. So I have got this chicken legs from the coals and I'm gonna make it now. It is gonna be very tasty and delicious recipe. So just wait and watch what I'm making here. Alright, so let us take a look at ingredients quickly, and I got these chicken legs from the coals, and here we have got the ingredients. We have got salt, lemon juice, garlic, and this ginger paste, then chili powder. Then we have got cream, we have got yogurt, we have got gram flour, we have got this cashew nut powder, then this coriander powder, and then garam masala powder, and we have got turmeric powder as well. So what we have to do is that we have to get these chicken legs and then cut it into this like we have to cut these portions like this ones. So you can see that each piece I have like cut it like that. The main purpose of doing it is that whenever you marinate this particular chicken with these ingredients, this flavor gets into the chicken and it tastes very nice. So let us start with the first part of the marination. There are two parts. In the first part we are going to use these four ingredients, and in the second part we will be using rest of the ingredients. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle this lemon juice over this all these pieces. Alright, so I've sprinkled this lemon juice over here, then I'm gonna put the salt. Then I'm gonna put this chili powder over there.
If you like so much spicy.
So depend upon how you like if you want more spicy, then you can put more this chili powder, and if you do not want the spicy, then do not use the chili powder. As simple as that. And we have got this ginger garlic paste which I'm gonna mix into that. So what I will do is that you have to put this ginger garlic paste inside these cuts that we have made into the chicken.
चांगलं रफ करून घे.
Alright, so first part of the marination is finished, and we are going to go to the next part of the marination. And for that, now next what you have to do is that you have to mix all these ingredients in here. So first of all, I'm gonna put this gram flour, then I'm gonna put this cashew nut powder, then this curd, then this
गरम मसाला.
garam masala, coriander powder, and finally I'm gonna put this turmeric powder in that, and then cream as well.
हात धुवा ना. बराबर.
Alright, so I'm gonna mix it well with my hand, or you can use the spoon as well if you want. My wife was saying that she would like help, but I don't want to take her help because I want to do it independently.
Don't make.
This is the most important part of making this recipe. If you do this very well, rest of the things are like very easy. All you have to do is just bake this properly in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 40 minutes. So this marination, look at this. This is how you have to mix it.
This way.
So look at this. It's looking so good. So this is done. Now I'm gonna put it for marination for 20 minutes.
All night.
So this particular thing is ready now, and we are going to let it marinate for at least 2 hours. If you want, you can keep for the marination for more than 2 hours. More hours, more fun and more taste. So it's your choice. Hello friends, welcome back. This marination process is completed, and I put it on marination for 3 hours. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it in oven at 220 degrees Celsius. I have already started the oven. I was already started the oven, and I'm preheating for 240 degrees Celsius. Now I'm gonna put oil into this particular marination and then place this chicken leg pieces on this foil paper on the tray. So let us add this oil in here. 1, 2, and 3. So I have added this olive oil in that particular marination mixture, and now what I'm going to do is mix it again. And next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on this tray. Remember that I have covered this tray with the foil paper, aluminum foil. Now this is going to get into this oven, which is already preheated at 240 degrees Celsius. So let us transfer this into the oven.
30 minutes.
And we have to keep it for 30 minutes. We have to cook it for 30 minutes. So let us transfer it.
थांबा 1 मिनिट. थांबा क्लिअर करू द्या. ओके. खालच्या ह्याच्यावर.
Alright. And let us close this one. And we are done. So after 30 minutes, let us come back here and see what's happened to the chicken. Hi guys. So what we have to do is that we have to cook this chicken for 30 minutes in all. And after 15 minutes, you have to flip the chicken pieces so that it will be cooked from all sides properly. Okay guys, so 15 minutes have passed by, and then what I'm going to do is just flip this
another
chicken pieces. Like that. So carefully you have to do it, and then I'm gonna put it again in the oven, and then after 15 minutes our chicken legs pieces will be ready. Chicken legs recipe is ready, and I'm gonna put it back into this plate. Like that. The smell is coming really good. And look at that. Look at that. This is called a chicken tandoori recipe. Chicken legs recipe is ready, and I'm gonna jump on it. Attack this chicken legs. It's very delicious. You try it at your home and let me know your experience. Very good.